Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic Friedel equation. Question is given here. Find the Friedel equation of the curves. Curve is given by x to the power 2 by 3 plus of y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3. Let's solve the problem. Given curve is x to the power 2 by 3 plus of y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3. This is the equation of curve and we have to know that the parametric equation of the given curve. Parametric equation of the given curve is x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a into sin cube theta, and we have to find the Friedel equation. We know that in Friedel equation r square is equal to x square plus of y square. From here we have to find the value here. Putting the value of x and y here, we get here a square cos क्यूब थीटा का होल स्क्वायर प्लस ऑफ ए स्क्वायर इंटू साइन क्यूब थीटा का होल स्क्वायर, एंड फ्रॉम हेयर वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट दिस इज आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर इज टेकिंग कॉमन एंड दिस इज cos क्यूब थीटा प्लस ऑफ cos टू द पावर 6 थीटा इंटू साइन टू द पावर 6 थीटा. And further we can also expand. A square is taking outside. This is written as cos square into cube theta plus of sin square theta to the whole power cube. From here we have to using the formula a cube plus b cube. This is given by a plus of b and a square plus b square minus of ab. A square plus b square minus of ab. Further we have to solving r square is equal to a square and we have to expanding this gives. First we have to writing this is a and this is b. We have to get cos square theta plus of sin square theta, and in the second bracket we have to writing here cos square theta. This is cos to the power 4 theta plus of sin to the power 4 theta and minus of cos square theta into sin square theta. We know that from trigonometry cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So we have to writing here r square is equal to a square into, we have to expand this is cos square theta to the power whole square plus of sin square theta to the power whole square minus of cos square theta into sin square theta, and we have to expanding here. This is a square plus b square is written as a plus of b का whole square minus of a minus of b minus of 2a. A square plus b square is written as a plus b का whole square minus of 2ab. So I have to expanding here r square is equal to a square and here cos square theta plus sin square theta is also 1. Cos square theta to the power whole square plus sin square theta to the power whole square, we have to expanding, we get here cos square theta plus of sin square theta to the power whole power 2 and minus of 2ab, minus of 2 cos square theta into sin square theta, and here minus of cos square theta into sin square theta is already present here. We know that from here cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So from here r square is equal to a square and this is 1 and minus of 2 and minus of 1, this is minus of 3. Minus of 3 cos square theta into sin square theta, and we have to from here we have to let this is equation second. r square is equal to a square into 1 minus of 3 cos square theta into sin square theta. Let this equation second, and further we have to solve it. Further, we have to solving, we have to differentiating the parametric equation with respect to theta. This gives dx upon d theta. A is constant and cos cube theta differentiating. This gives 3 cos square theta, and again cos theta is differentiating minus of sin theta. Similarly here dy upon d theta, this gives a cos square theta and sin theta again differentiating with respect to theta. This gives cos, once again 3 sin square theta, sorry, this is 3 sin square theta, and again sin theta differentiating with respect to x, this gives cos theta. So dx upon d theta is equal to 3 minus of 3a cos square theta into sin theta, and dy upon d theta is equal to 3a into sin square theta into cos theta. And from here we have to find the value of dy upon dx. dy upon dx is given by dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. Putting the value here, 3a into sin square theta into cos theta upon, we have to putting the value of dx upon d theta. This is minus of 3a into cos square theta into sin theta. We have to cancel out the terms, then remaining is sin theta upon cos theta, and we have to find the equation of tangent here. Equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to dy upon dx into x minus of x1. Putting the value of, let's suppose the parametric equation is, this is x1 and this is y1. So we have to putting in the equation of tangent, we get here y minus of a into sin cube theta is equal to dy upon dx is minus sin theta upon cos theta into x minus of x1 is given by here a into cos cube theta. Further we have to solve it, we have to cross multiply with these terms once again. Cross multiplication, this gives y into cos theta and minus of a cos theta into sin cube theta is equal to, here is minus of x sin theta, minus of x sin theta plus of sin theta into a cos cube theta, and we have to taking this term into left hand side. This gives minus of x sin theta is plus of x sin theta, and here is plus of y cos theta is already present, and once again this is minus of a into cos theta into sin cube theta, and sin theta into a into cos cube theta taking to left hand side. This is minus of a into sin theta into cos cube theta. Further, this is equal to 0 and x into sin theta plus of y cos theta, and from here we have to take common minus a is taking common. This gives, once again minus a is taking common, minus a into sin theta into cos theta is taking common. Then remaining is here sin square theta plus of, here is cos square theta, and we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then the remaining equation becomes x into sin theta plus of y into cos theta and minus of a sin theta into cos theta is equal to 0. And we have to find the length of perpendicular from origin. This gives, comparing this equation, ax plus by plus of c is equal to 0. Then the formula gives c upon under root of a square plus of b square, coefficient of x and y. So we have to put in here. Then p is equal to c is here minus of a into sin theta into cos theta upon under root of, here we have to put the coefficient of a is here, coefficient of a is here. Once again, coefficient of x in the given equation is sin theta. This gives sin square theta plus of coefficient of y is here cos theta. This is cos square theta, and we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This gives p is equal to mod of minus of a into sin theta into cos theta. And we have to remove the mod. We get here p is equal to a into sin theta into cos theta, and we have to use this equation 2. We have to put in the value here. We can also square in both the sides. This is p square is equal to a square into sin square theta into cos square theta, and we have to put in the value of p square upon a square is equal to sin square theta into cos square theta. We have to put the value of sin square theta into cos square theta in the equation second. We get the required result. So we have to put in here. This gives r square is equal to a square 1 minus of 3, and in place of cos square theta into sin square theta we have to put in p square upon a square, and we have to solving here. This gives r square is equal to a square, taking LCM here, a square minus of 3p square upon a square. A square to a square is cancelled out. Then the remaining is here, r square is equal to a square minus of 3p square. This is the required PDL equation of the given curve, and we can also write this equation in the form of 3p square is taken to left hand side. This gives plus of 3p square, and a square, r square is taken to right hand side. This gives minus of r square, and p is equal to a square minus of r square upon 3p square is equal to, and taking the root here, this gives p is equal to under root of a square minus of r square whole root upon 3. This is the required PDL equation of the given curve. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.